63.0, an abundance of 70.0%. E2 has a mass of 65.0, an abundance of 30.0%. Yes, Daniel.
63.6 grams per mole.
Okay, yes. Nana Brentu. E1 has mass of 58.0, an abundance of 60.0%. E2 has a mass of 72.0, an abundance of 40.0%. Sekondi College for a bonus.
63.6 grams per mole.
That is correct. Adiembra Senior High. E1 has mass of 28.0, an abundance of 42.0%, and E2 has a mass of 65.0, an abundance of 38.0%. Fijai Senior High for a bonus.
36.5.
That is not correct. The answer is 31.9. Sekondi College. E1 has mass of 70.0, an abundance of 51.0%. E2 has a mass of 65.0, an abundance of 80.0%. Fijai Senior High for a bonus.
88.1.
That is not correct. So the answer is, oh no. So for bonus, only the first school gets to answer. Okay, what answer do you have?
87.7.
You'd have just taken a 0.1. Free. Yeah, they would have taken a 0.1 from your marks. The answer is 74.9. Another preamble. Determine the values of the constants A, B, C, and D, given that the curve y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d has gradients. Determine the values of the constants a, b, c, and d, given that the curve y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d has gradients. Fijai Senior High, 6x squared minus 4x plus 3, and passes through the point A, giving us 1, 4.
We are having
Go on.
A to be equal to 2, B to be equal to negative 2, C to be equal to 3, and D to be equal to 1.
That is correct. Nana Brentu Senior High. Nana Brentu. Yours is 9x squared minus 6x plus 5.
We have
Go on.
A to be 2 out of 3. A to be 2 out of 3. B to be A to be 2 out of 3. B to be 2 out of 3. C to be 3 out of 5.
No. Sekondi College for a bonus.
We have A is 3, B is minus 3, C is 5, and D is 1.
No. So, oh. Hello. Yes, so based on the question I read, the answer given by Sekondi College is correct, so they get the bonus. Adiembra Senior High. Yours is negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 2 and passes through the point C given as 1, 0.
A is equal to
Yes.
A is equal to negative 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to negative 2. And then D is equal to 3.
2 out of 3. So D is equal to 1. Okay, all the rest are correct. Sekondi College. 12x squared plus 8x minus 7 and passes through the point D giving us 1, negative 7. Go on.
So we have A is equal to
I can't hear you.
A to be equal to negative 4, B to be equal to 2, C to be equal to negative 7, and D to be equal to 2.
One out of 3. So we have A to be equal to 4, B to be equal to 4, C to be equal to negative 7, and D to be equal to negative 8. Another preamble. Find the kinetic energy of an object of mass m and velocity v, given that. Find the kinetic energy of an object of mass m and velocity v, given as Fijai Senior High. M equals 3 kilograms, v equals 8I minus 6J meters per second. Yes, Daniel?
150 joules.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, M equals 4 kilograms and V equals negative 8I minus 1J meters. V equals negative 8I plus 1J meters per second. Yes.
Eva answered 2 root 65 joules.
No, that is not correct. Sekondi College,
130 joules.
130 joules. Adiembra Senior High. M equals 6 kilograms and V equals 12I minus 16J meters per second.
Joules.
That is incorrect. Yes, Sekondi College for a bonus.
1.2 kilojoules.
say that again?
1.2 kilojoules.
That is correct. Sekondi College. M equals 6 kilograms and V equals 4I minus 4J meters per second.
Joules. 96 joules.
96 joules. That is correct. The last set of questions for round 1. Fijai Senior High. Name the mushroom commonly cultivated in Ghana. For a bonus, so the answer is oyster mushroom or Pleurotios osteosteos. Yes, yes, we are all learning. That was the scientific name. The common name is the oyster mushroom. Nana Brentu, name the large African rodent which is being reared in Ghana to save the wild population.
Grass cutter.
Grass cutter is correct. Grass cutter is correct. So the scientific name is Thronomyas swinderenus. Yes, yes. Then Adiembra Senior High. Name the long-eared mammal commonly reared for food or raised in captivity as a pet.
Pig.
No. For a bonus, who knows? Okay, it is a rabbit. Sekondi College. Name the mollusks. Yes. Name the mollusks that is now raised in captivity for food in Ghana to save wild populations. Mollusks or mollusks, however you want to pronounce it.
Snail.
1 out of 3. I'll give 1 out of 3 because it's not just any snail. It is the giant African snail. And the scientific name is Achatina achatina. And that ends round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Petitions that I need to address. The first one about the relative isotopes. Yes, I know it's dimensionless, but I was giving them a leeway. And this is round one. It's not round two that I have to be very specific on it. The consultant also agrees with me, so the points I gave them stays. Then, from biology, give an example of yeast. So, Seko gave me puffball used for beverage. I gave them the 2 points for the beverage, not for the puffball. The puffball is wrong. That's why I gave them the 2 points. Then, the functions of the mass spectrometer. So, Adiembra gave me an answer that the ions accelerate into the magnetic field. And I gave them 2 marks. Because the actual thing is an electromagnetic field. It's two different things. That's why I gave them the 2 out of 3. So, please. It is very, very key to add the electro to the magnetic. So, at the end of round 1, Nana Brentu Senior High School has 6 points. Adiembra Senior High has 7 points. Fijai Senior High School has 10 points. Sekondi College has 16 points. Yes, substitution. Substitution for Adiembra Senior High. Ebenezer is coming in for John Asante. Adiembra, yes. Round 2. Round 2. So in this round, questions go to all schools. And the first to press the bell gets to answer for 3 points if the answer is correct. 2 points if it's the second school that gives the correct answer. 1 point if it's the third or fourth school that gives the correct answer. It's a speed race. So, when you press the bell, your answer has to be ready. This is not the time you are going to confer with your partner. So, if you are going to press the bell, make sure you have your answer, or else I'll move on. Is that all right? Okay, I hope the bells are all working. Fijai Senior High, Nana Brentu, Adiembra Senior High, and Sekondi College. All right. First one. What mass of CaOH2 would be produced from the evaporation of 250 centimeter cube of a 0.20 mole per decimeter cube CaOH2 solution. Sekondi College.
3.7 grams.
Say that again.
3.7 grams.
That is correct. Don't put your microphone off, okay? Under standard condition, 20.0 dm cube of gas A reacts with 60.0 dm cube of gas B to form 80.0 dm cube of gas C. Deduce the sum of the coefficients of reactants and products. Fijai Senior High.
16.
That is incorrect. Adiembra Senior High. 8 is correct. How many pairs of electrons are in an atom of silicon? Sekondi College.
4.
No. That is incorrect. Yes, Nana Brentu.
1.
No. You have been bailed out. You have been bailed out. The answer is 6 pairs. A binary operation star is defined on the set Z of integers by. A binary operation star is defined on the set Z of integers by A star B equals A plus 2B minus 3A. Evaluate 3 star 2. Yes, Adiembra.
1.
That is incorrect. 4. Sekondi College. Let him speak. Negative 2, no. Fijai. They haven't pressed. 4, then 1. Okay, 1.
0.
No. The answer is negative 11. Find the value of x and the value of y given 3 exponent x, 2 exponent y equals 108. Yes, Fijai.
X equals 2 and Y equals 2.
That is incorrect. Which number? 3. Okay. Adiembra.
X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 2.
That is correct. Find the sum to infinity of the series 2 minus 4 over 3 plus 8 over 9 minus 16 over 27 plus on and on it goes. Sekondi College,
6 over 30.
that is incorrect. Fijai,
6.
that is incorrect. Yes, Adiembra,
12 over 30.
that is incorrect. Okay, the answer is 6 over 5. What groups of animals do crayfish belong to? Do you know what sasau is? Sasau yabes. It's a crustacean. What group of mammals do goats belong to? Adiembra. I can't hear them.
Herbivores.
That is incorrect. Who else? 1.
Herbivores.
Oh, no. No. Is it belled out? Belled out. Okay, it is ungulates. Yes. What group of animals do tortoises belong to? Sekondi College,
Arachnida. Arachnida.
no. Reptiles. The recoil speed of a 2.0 kilogram gun is 8.0 meters per second. When it shoots a 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 2 kilogram pellets, find the speed of the pellet when it is discharged from the gun. Sekondi College,
800 meters per second.
give your answer again.
800 meters per second.
That is correct. When you press the bell, release it, okay? Find the refractive index of a medium at a certain wavelength for which the speed of light is 2.40. Yes,
1.25.
1.25. The last question for round 2. The moment of inertia of a sphere is 0.150 kilogram meter squared. About an axis passing through its center, find the moment of inertia of the sphere about an axis 0.200 meters from the center of the sphere if the mass of the sphere is 36.0 kilograms. The answer is 1.59 kilogram meter squared. And that ends round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
Working now? Are we good? Hello? 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 Is it okay now? Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Testing mic 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, in your handkerchief, and people when you eye. One people when you. Okay. Hello. Okay. So, so you know, when you bring a petition, I address it as I see on the petition. I cannot read your mind as to what you want me to address. So the biology question that was petitioned about the yeast, the petition was that puffball is not a yeast, and that I gave the partial credit because they gave puffball. And I said I didn't give the partial credit because of that. Then I got another petition, the same question, that the species is wrong. How can its function be accepted as correct? Please, the question says, give one example of yeast species and one, let me even read for my own, and one of its economic importance to humans. It was asking for the economic importance of what? Yeast. So they gave the economic importance of yeast and gave the wrong what? Species. And I gave the partial credit for that. So this, and I called the consultant. The consultant said the question asked for yeast species and yeast what? Economic importance. If they gave the economic importance, then I should give the partial credits. Okay. So at the end of round 2, Fijai Senior High School has 5 points. Brentu Senior High School has 5 points. Adiembra Senior High School has 8 points. And Sekondi College has 21 points. So before round 3, substitution for Sekondi College. Samuel Chumesi is coming in for Divine Baby. Round 3, the true or false statement round. In this round, statements will be posed to each school. And contestants, you have 10 seconds to give an answer. If the answer you give is correct, 2 points. If it's incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. You may choose not to answer, for which the other 3 schools, the first to press the bell, will have the opportunity to answer for 2 points if it's correct, and a deduction of 1 point if it is incorrect. I start from Fijai Senior High School. BCl3 molecule is trigonal pyramidal or pyramidal.
False.
That is correct. Brentu, NF3 molecule is trigonal planar. Yes, Adiembra for a bonus.
False.
That is correct. Your major question. H2S molecule is bent.
It is true.
That is correct. Sekondi College. SO3 molecule is trigonal planar.
False.
No. Another preamble. For the given figure, the volume is base area times height. For the given figure, the volume is base area times height. Fijai Senior High, a prism.
True.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, a cuboid.
False.
No. That's incorrect. Adiembra, a pyramid.
It is true.
That is incorrect. Sekondi College, first room of a cone.
False.
That is correct. Fijai Senior High, all insects bite.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, all insects sting.
False.
That is correct. Fijai Adiembra Senior High, insects die when they sting.
False.
That is correct. Sekondi College, ants only sting.
Only stink. False. They also false.
That is correct. A preamble. A spring mass system has a 0.5 kilogram mass which oscillates along the x-axis such that its displacement from the origin is given by x into bracket t equals 5 cos 4t, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. Please, if it's too noisy, they cannot hear what I'm saying. Okay? So I give the preamble again. A spring mass system has a 0.5 kilogram mass which oscillates along the x-axis such that its displacement from the origin is given by x into bracket t equals 5 cos 4t, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. Fijai Senior High, the frequency of oscillation of the system is 4 Hz.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, the spring constant of the spring is 8 meters per second, 8 Newton per meter.
False.
No. Adiembra, the initial position of the mass is the origin.
True.
No. That is incorrect. Sekondi College, the angular frequency of oscillation of the system is 4 rad per second.
False.
That is incorrect. Fijai Senior High, bauxite is a major ore of aluminium. That is correct. Nana Brentu, siderite is an ore of iron.
True.
That is correct. Adiembra, sphalerite is an ore of zinc.
True.
That is correct. Sekondi College, gypsum is an ore of magnesium.
True.
No. Fijai Senior High, if sine x equals half and if sine x equals half, then x equals pi on 6.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, if sine x equals half and x is obtuse, then x equals 5 pi over 6.
True.
That is correct. Adiembra, if sine x equals -1 and x is reflex, then x equals 3 pi over 2.
It is true.
That is correct. Sekondi College, if tan x equals -√3 and x is obtuse, then x equals 2 pi over 3. Yes,
False.
was it bell? They answered on the bell. They answered on the bell. Okay. So you said
False.
that is incorrect. Fijai Senior High. Wild animals are dangerous.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu. Wild animals live in homes.
False.
That is correct. Adiembra Senior High. Wild animals attack on sight. You didn't hear me. They said they didn't hear me. Those on top, those are the top. Please, I beg you, give us some silence, okay? Okay, Adiembra. Wild animals attack on sight.
True.
No. Sekondi College. Wild animals are tamed.
True.
Hey. That is incorrect. The last set of statements for round 3. Fijai Senior High. Beta particles from different radioactive sources all have the same mass.
True.
That is correct. Nana Brentu. Beta particles from different radioactive sources all have the same charge.
True. True.
No. Adiembra Senior High. Beta particles from different radioactive sources all have the same energy.
False.
That is correct. Sekondi College. Beta particles from different radioactive sources all have the same spin.
True.
That is correct. And that ends round. What a contest. At the end of round 3, Nana Brentu Senior High School has 10 points. Adiembra Senior High School has 17 points. Fijai Senior High School has 21 points. And Sekondi College has 22 points. Yes. It is getting heated. Round 4. Okay. So now we are going to solve some riddles. Riddle, riddle. Who are those making noise? Okay. So in this round, I'll be reading sets of clues to one particular thing. You can stop me at any time when you think you know by pressing your bell. If you give a correct answer whilst I'm on the first clue, the school gets 5 points. If I'm on the second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. As you can see now, the point is very, very what? Crucial. So when you press your bell, your answer has to be ready, else I'll move on. Is that okay? But if your answer is incorrect, you have to sit out for that particular riddle. Riddle number 1. I am a soft and dense metal. I am toxic. I am used in the production of batteries. I have been widely used in the past to increase Adiembra Senior High.
Lead.
Lead is correct. So, number 4, so they get 3 points. 3 points. I was on the 4th clue, they get 3 points. I am a mathematical statement. I am made up of other simple statements. You can say I am a compound statement. I am a combination of 2 statements. I have 2 parts, a hypothesis and a conclusion. I am a basis for proof in mathematics. Adiembra Senior High.
Experiment.
Oh. Who am I? Nana Brentu.
Implication.
Implication is correct. Implication is correct. Riddle number 3. Riddle number 3. I am a named law in physics. I am encountered in the study of electromagnetism. I describe a linear relationship between 2 physical quantities. I specify the constitutive relation between electric field and electric current density for linear material. I am frequently stated as a relationship between voltage and current. Adiembra Senior High.
Ohm's law.
Ohm's law is correct. Ohm's law is correct. So, the last riddle. The last riddle. Are you ready? Oh. The last riddle, the last riddle, the last riddle. You don't want me to continue? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am an animal with much hatred worldwide. I, however, serve an ecological duty. Admittedly, I have my excesses, sorry. I am hardly straightforward in my dealings. Fijai Senior High.
Snake.
Snake is correct. And that ends round 4.
Enjoy high performance at the same price.
What a contest. So, at the end of round 4, here are the results. Nana Brentu Senior High School had 13 points. Sekondi College had 22 points. Adiembra Senior High School had 23 points. And Fijai wins with 24 points. Such has been the contest indeed. Thank you for joining us for the regional championship from the Western and Western North. Congratulations, Fijai Senior High. Blessing and Daniel, I'll be seeing you in the final. Okay. Do join us when we bring you the contest, which will feature Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High School, Bompe Senior High Technical School, and Amemfiman Senior High School. This also promises to be an exciting one. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News, and this is a Prime Time production. Thank you.